What's up, guys? It's Harper here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button, turn notifications, give me a huge thumbs up. Today, I'm going to do a Rockstar makeup tutorial. Okay, let's get started. So first, we're going to start with the eyeshadow. I'm going to use this new eyeshadow palette I got. So that's why it wasn't in the last tutorial. Okay, so I'm using this palette because it has glitters. So you're allowed to use whatever you want, but I'm gonna use from this palette the color Happiness, which is right there, and top it off with some pink glitter. Okay, and I'm using this brush for some reason. I'm not using that small one because this is a Rockstar. It's supposed to look a little crazy. Okay, so now I'm only using Happiness because it's a very bright, vibrant pink. And I feel like a lot of girl rock stars use that vibrant pink. But it's not rocky enough. So on this side, we're going to add some more. And in case something like that happens to you, just grab a makeup wipe. And yes, I still have the computer from the first video. Now, so I'm just going to wipe off that thing for some reason that happened on my eye. And if you want to know, for some reason, I use these makeup wipes, bling, ding, ding, in mini package form. They're not doll makeup wipes, they're actual makeup wipes. Since it's small, I'm not going to unwrap So now that it's off, I'm going to go back to fixing this. Because I got a little bit of the eyeshadow off Okay, next eye. And if you don't have this palette, you can just use vibrant colors from your other palette. And just use some normal glitter. If you have any, if you don't have glitter, it's okay. I'm just using glitter to make it look a little more glamorous. And I like glitter. So now I'm going to wipe off my brush using makeup wipes because I don't have anything else to wipe off my brush with. So as I, for some reason, enjoy using makeup wipes for cleaning my brush, I'm just going to go wash it off in the sink for a second. Okay, back to the makeup tutorial. Now that we have our clean brush, we're going to add a little bit of glitter at a time so we don't overdo it. So I'm starting with this much glitter. Add a little more actually. Okay, so the glitter I'm using right now is Love Yourself. We're gonna use glitter. And I did a color underneath only because, like, if glitter isn't covering everywhere, I want there to be something underneath that. Now, I think we should use a little more glitter. And I mean a lot more glitter. Oh, yeah, this is nice. Now that we have that glittery eyeball, for some reason, every time, get makeup over there. And now I have makeup. Okay. Now that that's basically all washed off. Like, this is basically just loose glitter in the makeup palette. I think we're done with the eyes. Now I need to wipe my brush. I'm gonna for once unfold this. And since I haven't been posting a while, I'm going to post a lot lately until I get back to... I'm going to at least try to post like once a week. Because I used to like have no schedule. I would just randomly post. Wait, I just wiped off my brush. Why am I adding more? Now for the lipstick. I am using the brightest lipstick I have. Dun, 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 dun. Vibrant pink lipstick. It looks a little purple in the camera, but it's actually a vibrant pink. And it's from this brand. Ravian, I don't know. I think it's so cool how they molded the name into the lipstick. Okay, now to put on the lipstick. So, it's very vibrant. Now it really looks vibrant. And I'm going to go an extra level and add a little bit of this blue glitter called Sapphire. I'll show you. And add it onto my lips. Sapphire's right there. Sapphire. Since this is not really eyeshadow, it's just pure glitter, I'm going to add a little onto my lips. I mean, it's a Rockstar makeup, so I wanted to go crazy with it. So I think I'm done with the makeup. I'm going to tell you some tips for the hair. So for the hair, I'm just going to leave it down. But I like putting like the craziest clip I have in my hair to look like a rock star. This crazy tinsel clip. Or if you don't, maybe let me go get it. I'll be right here. You could put in a giant bow. I'm not going to do that because I have my tinsel clip. You see, like down, 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 down. Wait, I need to clip it in. So, give this video a thumbs up if you think this tutorial is better than the spring makeup tutorial I did. I actually really think this one's better. Like down, 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 down. Okay, now for the runway. Down, 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 down. Hey, my name's Rockstar Rainbow. Down, 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 down. And please subscribe. And that will be my money for being a rock star. Okay. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button, turn notifications. See you guys later. Bye. Peace. Hope you like this makeup.